In this video, I'm going to show you how to find movie clips for edits. And this is a website where you can find different movie clips you can use for your editing of YouTube videos or anything else. And yeah, it's one of the best ones out there and it has a lot of movie clips. So this one is called yarn.co, and the way you find it is simply typing into Google yarn.co or simply going to the link yarn.co. And then as you can see, this is the website where you want to click, and you are taken directly into the app where you can see a bunch of movie clips already. So there are video clips of different movies. There are just a few seconds long, as you can see. Like many of them are 2 to 3 seconds long, even less. Some are a bit more. And then you can search up here by movies. Let's say you want some clips from Zootopia. You simply type it in, and you get presented with many clips from Zootopia, as you can see over here. And you can do that for any movie or TV show, TV series you like to. And yeah, this is basically it. As you can see, you can filter by movies, music, and then TV and trailers. So there's a bunch of things you can filter through and find the perfect clip for your edit that you need. And yeah, that's basically it. So yarn.co, a website with different movie clips, and I hope this video helped you out and will help elevate your editing. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.